Okay. Ride along M850i xDrive.
Correct.
With the M logo on the helmet as well.
Yeah.
Feels nice, M power. And you drive with the DSC completely off.
Yes.
Good news.
I need to have this kind of traction, and it's the gas, the throttle that defines the curves, and I steer the car more with the gas pedal than the steering wheel.
Yes.
So you ready?
Yes. Go all out.
Not that much visibility today.
No, it's really much snow fall. So you like the car?
I love this car. Fantastic.
But don't you have a feeling that you think that you want the M8?
Yeah, next year, for sure.
I'll be back.
Yeah, I'll be back. There's a lot of power in this car as well.
It is, especially on this surface.
Yeah. So I don't need more power.
True.
I need more grip, more traction.
Yes. It's very controllable, and you like it's automatic gearbox.
Yeah, but I do it manually.
With the paddles.
And a lot of torque, so I stay in third or fourth gear most of the corners.
Oh, that high! Wow.
Yeah. I never use second.
And have you driven the M5 here, or?
Not on the ice, no.
Okay.
But I know the M5 quite well.
Yes, and the M xDrive, is it similar, the xDrive system on this, or?
I think so. I haven't tested it yet.
Yeah, exactly. That's
but
right.
on this surface, it should work the same way as the normal xDrive.
Yeah. It's very wide.
Yeah. Not the most efficient way to go around the track, but it's the most fun.
Exactly.
Most fun, huh? Scandinavian fleet.
Yes, I had a feeling something is coming.
Yeah.
I love the sound. It's a nice sound.
Yeah, beautiful.
Like
The balance of the
deep.
car is beautiful. Gesture control that always keeping in.
Oh yeah, it reads your movements.
Yeah.
It's like annoying.
I can do like this.
Oh, that's right. It's funny that you can be able to do it while drifting.
While going sideways, yeah.
Yeah, even though the gears are so high, it feels very, torque rich. Torque,
Yeah, a lot of torque.
and good acceleration as well.
So,
Very nice.
2 laps sideways.
Very sideways, but very fast as well. It felt very fast.
Yeah, good.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.